Do you have pieces of wood that you quite don't know what to build out of it? Well, if you do, I'm gonna show you a few woodworking projects you can make out of about a foot of wood. Let's get started. For your first project, you're gonna trace out a spatula. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna go cut this out on the bandsaw. If you don't have a bandsaw, you can use a jigsaw or you can use chisels, but it's just gonna take a little bit. Slap on your PPE and get started. Now, when you come on these sharp corners right here, you're just gonna wanna back out of it because you don't wanna cut this straight in half because we're gonna be using it. Now, you've probably seen this project in this video right here, but later in the video, I'm gonna show you a project that I haven't showed anybody. All right, we'll give her a little bit of a massage on this rough blanket. So what we'll do is we'll sand this with the belt sander and then maybe shape the handle a little more. All right, we got this shaped with the belt sander. It's not very smooth because it was done with like 80 grit. So we're gonna use some 120 and then 600 grit and make it very smooth. Now, when I usually make these, they're probably about maybe 3 inches longer, but I only had a foot of wood to work with, so that's what we got. 600 grit. Let's slap some mineral oil on her to make her pop. Well, there you go, guys. That turned out pretty well, I gotta admit. Look at that green. All right, so we still got that other piece of black walnut still on the bandsaw, so I'm gonna go get that, and I'm gonna show you 2 more woodworking projects you can make out of that one piece. So we got this big piece and this small piece. This piece you could probably make another spatula out of, but I'm gonna show you 2 more projects you can make out of like this little tiny piece. All right, we're gonna use this flat line right here and that curve at our advantage. So we're gonna take off that point. Just like that. Now we're gonna cut this out on the bandsaw and I'm gonna run it down the side right here to make 2 out of it. Like I said, we're gonna split this all the way down long ways. Now we'll cut out that design. There we go. Now we'll use the belt sander and put like a blade on the tip. There we go. All right, now we'll sand it. And now 600 grit. You can use this to spread butter, jelly, peanut butter, pretty much anything you can think of. All right, our second project is complete. Let's move on to the last one. All right, for the last one, we're gonna trace out a spoon. And if you're wondering, it is not a spoon. Again, we'll go to the bandsaw and cut it out. All right, so what we're gonna do is cut like a mouth in this thing. So it's gonna kind of look like this. Now we're heading over here to the belt sander and we're gonna finish shaping it. And there we go. Well, there you go. I showed you how to make a lid popper for mason jars, a spreader, and a spatula just from that one piece of black walnut about 1 foot long. Now you can do this project from poplar or oak, but I would recommend using hardwoods. I wouldn't use like pine or cedar for it. Now when I bring these to the vendor sale, I sell these for about $6. I sell this for $8 and this for $10. Now you could probably up the prices, but I've just found out these prices work really well. But these spatulas, I sell them at a local country store and they do very good there. I've probably sold around 60 or 70 of them. If you'd like to see how to make a carpenter bead trap, click right over here. And if you'd like to see how to make a hat holder, click right over here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see y'all next time.